Today marks day number 45 of the $1,000 account challenge, and we are down. It's another red day, $63 in the account, or 1.79% of the total portfolio balance. Now, it's not a terrible red day, but it's a red day nonetheless. Would I have loved to make money? Absolutely. Just didn't happen. Now, if you don't know, my name is Gates. I'm taking $1,000 and I'm day trading options to see how far we can grow this account. Today, I took 3 trades, one of them being a wash trade at break even and 2 being minor paper cut losses. Off of the day trade watch list, the first one up is Meta, was a long idea above $487. We get the opening move up above $487, the pullback hold as support, and the next candle holding it. And I considered going long right here. Had I did that, I would have been profitable on this trade for the move up, but I wanted to wait at least 5 minutes to make sure that this was going to break out. And when we did get the breakout confirmation, I went in afterwards looking for a follow-through. Unfortunately, just no follow-through offered. I took my dip entry long right here. We got the move up into the high of day. I was up 15% on the trade. I was looking for a 20% gain. We didn't get the 20% offered. It came right back down and into a period of consolidation. So it was like up, down, up, down, up, down at this point, and I just figured if it wasn't going to push and break out over here and it started to kind of look like it was going to be selling off, I might as well just exit the position for a break even. So that's what I did as we got this peak up here, and I think it was the right move. Of course it was the right move because this never even broke back out above that high of day, 491.05. That was it. So I should have either taken my profits on this trade or just washed out like I did at break even, and I took the latter. Unfortunately, no profits here, so I just lose a little bit by paying commission fees. My next trade was on Apple. Straight off the day trade watch list, I had Apple as a short idea below $181.50. Now we do get the opening sell-off, the rally up. Cannot reclaim the previous day's closing price, the break down below 181.5, which is our trigger level, and then immediately into a phase of consolidation. Now, this is where I waited and waited and waited because I wanted to make sure that it wasn't going to bounce back up. And so when I saw a red candle start to form, I was thinking, maybe this is it, right? We're going to get the low of day flush. I go short on Apple here, just to be stopped out 2 minutes later when it rallies back up to 181.5. And again, I think I made the right decision here to close out because the stock did rally further beyond that price point, so I would have been down. And even if I did hold through and it moved back down towards the low of day, it's just barely a new low of day right here. It's not really anything that would have given me significant profit from this trade. So Apple, washout trade, or sorry, not a washout trade. I took about a 9% loss here on the Apple trade, and the third one was on AMD. AMD was a long idea above 178, short idea below 175. Just another situation, kind of like Apple, where we get the move down below 175, the rally up, and I go short looking for the follow through. Unfortunately, we just don't get it, right? We get the rally up. In fact, I almost stopped out on this trade as it reclaimed 175, but I stayed a bit patient. We get the move back down. I'm up on this trade. Again, just not taking the profits here, and then the move back up above 175 to close me out of the position just to watch it run right back down. So it's been a lot of up, down, up, down, up, down motion in the stock market recently. And I think that what I'm learning from these positions that I'm taking is that I'm being offered profits. I'm just not being offered 20% profits. So maybe it would behoove me to go ahead and just take my profits when they're offered at 10 or 15% for a period of time until the market gets back to cleaner and clearer positions that are directionally moving. That's it. That's all that I have for you today on these trades. I hope that the video has helped you out and explain my reasoning to you. It's just a bunch of trades today that really didn't go my way, and that's okay. Sometimes you can have the best plan, you can have the best discipline, you can execute your plan with discipline, and it's still just not enough to make you profitable on the day. Thank you for watching. Press that like button for me if the video has helped you out, and consider subscribing to the YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. It's just the best way to support me and this type of work that I do, and it's free. Thank you again for your time, and I will see you tomorrow when we continue the $1,000 account challenge. Cheers.